Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video for our first time going to Karma together and the 1,000 subscriber celebration. All right, it's not a lot, but to me it's a lot. We just started this, so let's get into the details of the Karma. It was good. Oh my gosh, dog. 1,000 subscribers. Oh, bro, thank all of you. I thank you, bro. Thank you so much, bro. Look, for the 1,000 subscriber celebration, this is what we're gonna do. All right, this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to my first car meet with you guys, dog. That's what we're finna do right now. But as you can see right now, it's 8:29. We got 30 minutes until the car meet actually starts, and I'm hungry. So what we finna do is we're gonna get some food, man. We're gonna get some food. We're gonna munch. Oh dang, I parked terrible. All right, so we're gonna munch. I'm gonna get something small. The car meet is gonna be right over there. We're gonna see what's good with the city, and I don't know. We're gonna see what's popping. Watch. The cars are already pulling up right over there, dog. I'm gonna get some food real quick. Bro, y'all, the cars are pulling up, dog. All right, I'm about to hurry up. I'm almost done, and we're finna go see the cars. All right, y'all, look, cars are pulling up. So what we finna do is we're finna pull up ourselves. Bro, y'all, we at the car meet. We at the car meet right now. We got some Chargers right here. We got some, I cannot see what that is, but we got some of that. We got some Mustangs over there. We got look at that bad boy over there. No. We got some. Sheesh. What's this over there? A Toyota. Wait, y'all can't even see it. A Toyota, bro. You can't even see it because of my dirty window. Bro, it is so loud here. It is so loud. People with music everywhere. Sheesh. All right, pull up with mine. We got a little Chrysler 300. We got a, what is this? Oh, it's a V6, but hey, mine's a V6 too, but hey, I see you. A little Venom. Ooh. 392. We got the slow Maros. I mean the Camaro. Sheesh. All right. I'll give that one to him. All right, let's go this way. Look at this, another 392 right here. Got another 392, a little clean. The music. Bro, this music, I can't hear. It's alright. I like it. No, not the butterfly doors. It's nice. look at this right here. Sound of the cars. Oh my gosh. The RT. Oh, the scat bag. Wait, why did you say scat bag, but in the front said RT? Oh, sheesh. Yo, I forgot to tell you that they have a rule here. You can't rev the cars and you can't do burnouts. Make.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Y'all, look what I saw over there. I think that's a Miata. We're going over there. Oh shit! Oh. Bro, we gotta go see that. We gotta go see that. Where was that? Ah, the music. Ah. Bro, who was that? Oh, bro, it had to be that Volkswagen. I don't know actually. Who was that? Bro, they ain't doing it no more. Where'd they go? We got more Mustangs pulling up right here. But I'm going to this Miata. For some reason, he's so sad and alone compared to everybody else. So let's go check out this Miata real quick. Oh, look at this little Miata. Look at the Miata. Look at the Miata. Yo, I like the Miata. She's smiling at us. No.
She got that lip gloss. I love when our lips slide down. So many missed calls. I'm tryna be all yours. She got that lip gloss. I love when our lips slide down. So many missed calls. I'm tryna be all yours. We can watch Pulp Fiction. You got me all in my feelings. You got me all in your business. So tell me, girl, are you with it? I'm rolling, we chillin', we smoking. Your love is my drug, is my potion. I want you, just know I ain't joking. I'm giving you flowers, your roses.
Jealous? Jealous?
I can't breathe. Yo, hey, the city, I like it. But low-key, I don't know about trucks. I'm not gonna lie to you. Trucks are not my thing.
Go yard.
I got 3 thoughts on my dick, bust down Gucci all on my fit. I tell my wrist, rolling that strip. She like Ash Cash, only the tip. I be skirting off in that whip. I see it up and that would get hit. Yo, till I top when I try that crop, I feel like I'm Cardi, I'm a dilate. I got 3 thoughts on my dick, bust down Gucci all on my fit. Ice on my wrist, rolling that strip. She like Ash Cash, only the tip. I be skirting off in that whip. I see it up and that would get hit. Yo, till I top when I try that crop, I feel like I'm Cardi, I'm a dilate. I like, what the fuck is this all? I don't and I start out the mud. Little bitch, I'm a lion, know she getting dug. Yeah, I don't want no old money, only new cheddar. Little bitch on my dick, cause she cannot do better. She got a fat ass, she got a Beretta. You talk to me tough, but you soft as a flag. With a 4-5, yeah, I got a strap. I've been getting to the bad, now I got show my snap. I don't even like these hospitals, money in the air. Every time I make a song like a schoolboy splash. They don't wanna see me out, so I had a group on me and Nathan make a hit. So they go sing my songs, we just hit another like when we bout to get hella wet. See me pussy with a chick going in like in cold. I got 3 thoughts on my dick. Ice in my wrist, rollie that strip. She like Ash Cash, only the tip. I be skirting off in that whip. I see it up and down, we get hit. Yo, feel on top when I try to crop. I feel like I'm Cardi, I'm like, yo. I like, what the fuck is up? I don't wanna be your love. I be getting to the pants and I start out the mud. Little bitch, I'm a lion, know she getting dug. I don't want no old money, only new cheddar. Little bitch on my dick, cause she cannot do better. She got a fat ass, she got a Beretta. You talk to me tough, but you soft as a flag. With a 4-5, yeah, I got a strap. I've been getting to the bad, now I got show my snap. I don't even like these hospitals, money in the air. Every time I make a song like a schoolboy splash. They don't wanna see me out, so I had a group on me and Nathan make a hit. So they go sing my songs, we just hit another like when we bout to get hella wet. See me pussy with a chick going in like in cold. I got 3 thoughts on my dick, bust down Gucci all on my fit. Ice in my wrist, rollie that strip. She like Ash Cash, only the tip. I be skirting off in that whip. I see it up and down, we get hit. Yo, feel on top when I try to crop.
We already know she's out.
Go yard.
I got 3 thoughts on my dick, bust down Gucci all on my fit. Ice in my wrist, rollie that strip. She like Ash Cash, only the tip. I be skirting off in that whip. I see it up and down, we get hit. Yo, feel on top when I try to crop. I feel like I'm Cardi, I'm the dialect. I got 3 thoughts on my dick, bust down Gucci all on my fit. Ice in my wrist, rollie that strip. She like Ash Cash, only the tip. I be skirting off in that whip. I see it up and down, we get hit. Yo, feel on top when I try to crop. I feel like I'm Cardi, I'm like, yo. I like, what the fuck is up? I don't wanna be your love. I be getting to the pants and I start out the mud. Little bitch, I'm a lion, know she getting dug. I don't want no old money, only new cheddar. Little bitch on my dick, cause she cannot do better. She got a fat ass, she got a Beretta. You talk to me tough, but you soft as a flag. With a 4-5, yeah, I got a strap. I've been getting to the bad, now I got show my snap. I don't even like these hospitals, money in the air. Every time I make a song like a schoolboy splash. They don't wanna see me out, so I had a group on me and Nathan make a hit. So they go sing my songs, we just hit another like when we bout to get hella wet. See me pussy with a chick going in like in cold. I got 3 thoughts on my dick, bust down Gucci all on my fit. Ice in my wrist, rollie that strip. She like Ash Cash, only the tip. I be skirting off in that whip. I see it up and down, we get hit. Yo, feel on top when I try to crop. I feel like I'm Cardi, I'm the dialect. I got 3 thoughts on my dick, bust down Gucci all on my fit. Ice in my wrist, rollie that strip. On my dick, bust down Gucci all on my fit. Ice in my wrist, rollie that strip. She like Ash Cash, only the tip. I be skirting off in that whip. I see it up and down, we get hit. Yo, feel on top when I try to crop. I feel like I'm Cardi, I'm the dialect.
Superstars. I remember when we were checking cars. Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Can't help it, now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were jacking cars. Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kid, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a grimace. Yeah, cut those bins, KTV, back door wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All of you niggas gon' die. Time bit when I slide. Nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So they don't ran down. Call them pants down. Nigga, you shit it. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin.
Yeah, we could be superstars. We've been rather wrecking cars.
Hey bro, is that Jambo?
What is that stage for us? Kicking up corners. Yeah, we could be superstars, but I'm pretty sure our time is up. And so we fell off the spinning tops. ATL Juggle.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gon' play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Ski off third on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cross the nigga that rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being the daddy to my little children. I been standing on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you never step or help with none of you killin'. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack you in front of the witness. Damn, my nigga, you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, my nigga, you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Can't help it, now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, call them pants down. Nigga, you shit.
More cars.
But I still ate, cause I'm a green. Yeah, cut those bins, KTV, back door wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All of you niggas gon' die. Time rolling. Bustin' on my opponent, no half stepping. Crush my arms totally. Wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cages, stages of cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka Twigger and Carvin. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, my nigga, you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Can't help it, now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kid, snatch off on the bit. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So they don't ran down, call them pins down. Nigga, you shit.
Oh, that was it for the car meet, I guess. Ain't much happening no more. Ain't no new cars pulling up. We already saw everything, so I think it's time to go pa la casita. But yeah, we're going home, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. This took me forever to edit. It's been 2 days. It's already Monday. It's 10. I'm tired, but I edited. It's finally done, and you know, I really enjoyed the car meet. It was alright. There were some dookie cars, and then there were some pretty good cars. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time for some more car edits back in the game.